Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walgreens and we're here to do some deals for the week of the 1st through the 7th of September. And happy September. Can we say it's fall yet? I really hope so. And I hope everyone had a great Labor Day weekend. So a little disclaimer, I did film part of this on Sunday morning, and then I did film the other part of this on Monday morning. So sometimes the videos can't come out right away. Sometimes they come out the next day after I'm finished filming. So just sometimes with couponing, deals may change, especially at Walgreens. So just know that if it is no longer valid, I do apologize, but I really can't help that. So anyways, that's really all. And I do have a Google Doc down in the description box for you, so that's always fun. So anyways, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. You will find a Google Doc down below in the description box. I do like doing them, usually. So anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. So for the first transaction, we will be using a spend $30, get back $7 in Walgreens cash. This was good for Sunday, and I was able to use it on Monday as well. So we're going to start off with the Dove in this first transaction. It is 2 for $8, and it is buy 2, get back a $5 register reward. I honestly was so surprised that the store had this much Dove. So of course we're just going to grab the 2, and they're $8. I don't have any digital coupons because I used them last week, but you can use a $2 digital if you still have it. So we'll pay the $8, we'll get back $5 in a register reward. We'll submit our receipt to I bought it, and we'll get $2 back on each one. It's also good for the Tresemme if your store is out of the Dove. So our Dove would end up being a $1 moneymaker, which I will definitely take. So anyways, if your store is out of the Dove, try the Tresemme. Next, we're going to grab the Axe body wash. The Axe body wash is buy one, get one 50% off, and it is buy 2, get back a $2 register reward. They're $5.99, so one will be $5.99, the other one will be $2.99. That equals out to $8.98. I have a $7.50 off 2 digital coupon still from last week that I was not able to use. If you don't have that $7.50 off 2 digital coupon anymore, there is a 4 off 2 digital coupon that we did get this week that you can use. We'll pay $1.48. We'll get back a $2 register reward, making them free and a 52-cent moneymaker. So we're off to a really good start. So that's really good because the next item I'm grabbing, or the next items I'm grabbing, is going to be a little bit more than I'd like. But anyways, we're going to go to the deodorant. They are buy 4, get back a $5 register reward. They're also buy 1, get 1 50% off. So I'm going to grab 3 of these Dove deodorants. So they're $8.79. So one will be $8.79. The other 2 will ring up for $4.39 a piece. I'm also going to grab a Dove whole body deodorant. This one will ring up at $12.99. That'll make our total for the 4 deodorants $30.57. We only have a $2 off of 1 digital coupon for the deodorants, so that would make these $28.57. Now on another account, I do have an only for you coupon that's $4 off of the whole body deodorant. If you have that, of course, you know, that would be an even better deal. So the total is $28.57 for the 4. We'll get back that $5 register reward, and then we'll submit our receipt to Fetch Rewards for the 2, or for each set of 2 deodorants that you buy. You will get back $5.50. I am also tracking for a spend 20, get back another $5 or $4 for the whole body Dove deodorant. So I'm going to get back $15 from Fetch, making all 4 deodorants $8.57. I think that's a really good deal. Paired with our money makers, an even better deal. We're going to throw in a freebie, but I totally messed this up. So this is buy 2, get back a $3 register reward, and I grabbed 3 of the $3 toothpaste or toothbrushes. You only need to grab 2 for some reason in my mind, I was thinking that we needed to do 3. So just ignore the third one. So they're $3 a piece for $6. Buy 2, get back a $3 register reward. Use the $3 coupon, you'll pay $3, get back $3, making them free. So it's a perfect filler item if your store has them. So this is everything we're grabbing in the first transaction. I did get a little bit extra here so that I could pay with $20 in Walgreens cash, and then I will still get back that $7 digital booster, excuse me. And like I said, ignore that third toothbrush. I did return it. So now we're to the next day, and we are going to grab the CoverGirl in a new transaction. And I was able to use my digital booster on the day it expired, and that was on the 2nd of September. So we're grabbing 3 of the CoverGirl eyeshadows. The promotion in the store this month is buy 2, get the third one free. So we are grabbing 3 of these at $6.49 a piece. The 2 of these will cost $12.98 because the third one is free. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, so we'll pay $9.98. And then we won't get anything back, but we will submit our receipt to Ibotta for $3 back on each one, getting $9 back, making this free. Now, I did see in the comments on Instagram that the Ibotta rebate went away later on Monday. So if that is the case, then of course this wouldn't be the best deal for you. But if you still have them, then this would be a great filler item to bulk up your transaction. We're not really going to bulk up our transaction today. We're just going to spend our bare, the minimum, not the bare minimum. Next, we're going to get the Olay body wash here. It is buy 1, get back $2 and a register reward. And this is a monthly deal that I noticed. They're $12.99. We have a $3 digital coupon, so we'll pay $9.99. We'll get back that $2 register reward, making it $7.99. But then I noticed there is a $3 rebate on Ibotta for this. And that would make this fella here just $4.99, which isn't a bad deal considering it's $14.99. I did have some trouble with this scent on Ibotta. It kept telling me that people already tried submitting this rebate or this barcode and it doesn't work, blah, blah, blah. So I am talking with Ibotta about it. So just make sure you scan the scent that you're grabbing to make sure that it attaches to the Ibotta rebate. I figured, and this is a rookie mistake, I think, that because it was pictured in the rebate that it would work. So next we're going to do the toothpaste for the buy 2, get back a $3 register reward. We're going to grab the $5 Glamorous White toothpaste. This will cost us $10. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. It'll cost us $7, but we'll get back a $3 register reward. Then we'll submit our receipt to Ibotta, and we'll get back $2.50 for each one using this rebate. That will make these free and a $1 moneymaker, which of course is a great deal. So this is everything that we are getting in the second transaction. I did get a spend $35, get back $7 in Walgreens cash for a paper booster. So I will be using that, and I will be using my register rewards from my first transaction to help lower my out-of-pocket. So let's go check out. We'll go into the car, take a look at the receipts, and see how everything went. All right, so we're back in from Walgreens, and we got 2 beautiful, beautiful transactions. So I want to say I did not go to that store that I went to last week. I didn't go to that store. I went to the stores that I typically go to, and everything went beautifully. Everything went beautifully. I got every register reward. I got every coupon off. I got all my Walgreens cash. I got my Ibotta rebates. So super happy with how everything went. So the first transaction I did Sunday morning because I'm an eager beaver, if I can be, usually in my mind I am, but my body says another thing. So anyways, I cannot believe I got 3 Oral-B toothbrushes. I just can't believe it. So I did return one. I was just like, I'm sorry. I thought I needed to buy 3. I only needed to buy 2. Can I please return this? I apologize. I felt silly for returning a $3 toothbrush, but it is what it is. So anyways, we got the Axe body wash, we got the Dove deodorant, and then we got the Dove hair care, and then we got the Oral-B toothbrushes. I had a $7.50 off of 2 digital coupon come off for the Axe. I had a 3 off 2 digital come off for the Oral-B, and a $2 digital come off for the Dove deodorant. So that brought my total to $41.04. I did pay with $20 in Walgreens cash to lower my out-of-pocket, but the total for the products is still $41.04. I did get back $7 in Walgreens cash. I did get back all of my register rewards. $5 for the Dove shampoo, $5 for the Dove deodorant, $2 for the Axe, and $3 for the toothbrushes. Now, I wanted to start using my second Walgreens account. It had nothing on it. So that meant I used all of those register rewards on my next transaction. That's why I don't have them to show you, but I showed you earlier. I did get back $4 on Ibotta, and I got back $15 on Fetch for that deodorant. Holy cow. And I love all of my fellow couponers, but I really don't want to hear how Fetch isn't real money, because I am going to buy a $25 gift card for CVS, and I'm going to use that to continue on couponing. So to me, it's real money because I'm going to go to the store and use it in CVS. So it's all how you look at things. To me, it's money. That makes that transaction just 4 cents. 4 cents. And 4 cents for any one of those items is a darn good deal. Darn it. So I was really happy with that transaction because I got 4 deodorants. 4 deodorants. And when I first saw that deal, I'm like, buy 4 deodorants, get $5 back. That sounds like a And then they said we only had a $2 coupon, and I'm like, But then put it in with your transaction and look at other rebates back. Very good deal. So anyways, enough about that transaction. Oh, and I did have, So then with that transaction, I got a $7 paper booster when you spend $35. I was so excited about that. I put it on the community tab to let you know that I would be using it right away. So then today I come to a different Walgreens, and I get the 2 Crest Glamorous Whitening Toothpaste. I got the CoverGirl Eye Trios, and then I got that really super nice Olay body wash. I used that $7 paper booster. I had a $4 digital come off for the CoverGirl, a $3 digital come off for the Olay, and a $3 digital come off for the Crest. I used $15 in register rewards to help lower my out-of-pocket. I paid $10.97, which still might seem high for some people, but I was totally happy with that. You get it down to however you would like to get it down to. So the total for that transaction after you take out the register rewards that I use to lower my out-of-pocket is $25.97. I got back $14 in Walgreens cash because those two did stack. So super happy with that. I did get back a $2 register reward for the Olay. And I also got back a $3 register reward for the Crest. I had to think about it for a second. For the Crest. So my register rewards printed. And then I got back $17.50 on Ibotta. $9 for the CoverGirl. I got back $3 for the Olay body wash and $5.50 for the Crest. So $5 or $2.50 for each one of the Crests and a 50-cent bonus. So that makes that transaction free and a $10.53 moneymaker. What? I was doing my math in the store and I'm like, no, it's not. No, it's not. You're silly. You're being funny with me. And yeah, it's $10.53 moneymaker because my total for my transaction was $35.97. So that it wasn't a super high total. And then so one good thing about that transaction is, yes, I put out $10.97 of cash, but I got $17.50 of it back in cash. So I'm good with that. Oh, and I also I forgot to add. So my first transaction, I did the Dove, and I got a $1 Weekend Warrior bonus. So that was actually free and a 104-cent moneymaker, $1.04 moneymaker instead of 4 cents. But if you didn't reach a Weekend Warrior bonus on Ibotta from all these darn Ibotta rebates that we have, it would still only be 4 cents. So I forgot to mention that Weekend Warrior because, as you can see, I put it up there, but I forgot to mention it. So anyways, and one more thing, I got a booster with this account, and it is $5 back when you spend $25. Oh my gosh. Wow. So I am so happy about this. I cannot wait to use it next week. And so the total for my transactions this week is free and an $11.49 moneymaker. And I got tons of cash back. Such a good week. Oh my gosh. Makes me so happy. So anyways, guys, let me know what you got down below. How did it go for you this week? Just let me know. I'd love to hear it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget your Google Doc down below in the description box, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.